Today I will guide you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail using your PC. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then in the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop down menu, I selected Gmail and my Gmail inbox opened successfully. Now in my inbox, I moved my mouse cursor over an email. As soon as I hovered over it, I noticed an unsubscribe option appearing on the right side of that email. I clicked on unsubscribe and a confirmation pop-up appeared. Then I clicked unsubscribe again to confirm. And that's it. I was successfully unsubscribed from that sender and I will no longer receive unwanted promotional emails from them. You can repeat the same process for any emails you want to unsubscribe from. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification for more quick tech guides.